history behind each and every mystery. And I am your friend Adarsh, who will be presenting you this video and guiding you through this video. Every one of us since childhood was curious about the universe. We frequently used to ask the questions, what is universe and how big is it? In today's video, we will be dealing with these two questions and I hope you will enjoy it. So, let's get started. Our topic is universe. What is universe and how big is it? First of all, in this video, we will compare and see how big is our universe. Let's start our journey through a smaller city to the bigger universe. Just imagine and think about Delhi, our capital city. How big is it? So, Delhi has a total area of about 1484 square kilometer with a length of about 51.9 kilometer and a breadth of about 48.48 kilometer. It has a population of about 1.9 crores. Delhi may seem big enough for people living there, but we know it's just a part of our India. It's just a city of our India, much smaller than India. So, India is bigger than Delhi. Now let's see our India. India has a total area of about 3.287 million square kilometer with a length of about 3,214 kilometer from north to south and a breadth of about 2,933 kilometer from east to west. India has a total population of about 136.64 crores. But India is also a part of the Asian continent. So, Asia is even bigger than India. So the Asian continent has an area of about 44.579 million square kilometer. It has a length of about 11,000 kilometer and a breadth of about 8,500 kilometer. The total population of Asia is 4.56 billion. But now, Asia is also a continent in our globe. I mean, it is just a piece of landmass in our Earth. So, Earth is even bigger than Asia. Now, let's see our Earth. Earth has a total surface area of about 510.1 million square kilometer with a radius of about 6,371 kilometer. It has a total volume of about 1,083.206 billion cubic kilometer. Our Earth has a mass of about 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 kilograms. And our Earth is 4.543 billion years old. And the total population of our Earth is 7.8 billion, which comprises of the human beings. So, is Earth the largest of all? So the answer is a big no. No, our Earth is not the biggest of all. Because our Earth is only a planet of our solar system which revolves around the sun. and there are 8 other planets smaller and bigger than Earth, and asteroids, comets, etc., which constitutes our solar system. So, our solar system is even bigger than the Earth. Now, we will see our solar system. The diameter of our solar system is 287.46 billion kilometer. The age of our solar system is 4.568 billion years. The solar system has a total mass of about 1.0014 solar mass. That is equal to 2.0028 into 10 to the power 30 kg approximately. And our solar system comprises of the 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, 575 natural satellites, 4,143 comets, 796,354 minor planets, and millions of asteroids. Then comes our Milky Way galaxy, whose small part is our solar system. So the Milky Way galaxy has a total mass of about 1.5 into 10 to the power 12 solar mass, that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 42 kg. And it contains 100 to 400 billion of stars like our sun. It has a total diameter of about 100,000 light years. And its approximate age is 13.51 billion years. But wait, our Milky Way galaxy is further the part of local group of galaxy, which consists of group of around 80 to 100 more galaxies like our own Milky Way galaxy. I know, it's confusing, but have patience. Now, the local group of galaxy. It has a diameter of about 10 million light years with a mass of about 2 into 10 to the power 12 solar masses. That is equal to 4 into 10 to the power 42 kg approximately. It contains around 80 galaxies and dwarf galaxies. Now comes the universe, the biggest of all we know. So, the mass of our universe is around 10 to the power 53 kg, and it is around 13.8 billion years old. And the diameter of observable universe that can be seen by us through telescopes is 93 into 10 to the power 9 million light years, 8.8 into 10 to the power 26 meters. And it constitutes of the galaxies, black holes, dark matter, dark energy, planets, moons, asteroids, and many comets, and many other things. But wait, what is universe? This is the biggest question of all. What is universe? So here is the answer. All the vast empty space around us can be termed as the universe. The universe is all of space and time and their contents that includes planets, stars, galaxies, and all other forms of matter and energy. The word universe has been derived from the Latin word universum, which means all things as whole. The universe is defined as the totality of existence or everything that exists, everything that has existed and that may exist in future. Universe has been proved to be 13.8 billion years old, and it arrived from a big blast in which it expanded from a small size, even smaller than an atom, to nearly its current size, and it is expanding ever since. The universe is full of mystery, and observing the universe is an interesting thing to do. And with this, we have come to the end of our video, and I hope you liked it and gained knowledge from it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment and be updated with our new videos. Thanks everyone for seeing this video. Thank you.